Hey everybody and welcome back. Today we are coming at you with a very exciting video. I apologize in advance for my voice today. Getting back into the video, today we are hosting a giveaway, and we are hosting a giveaway of our foundation course. This giveaway is basically our way to honor our ASAPers, our champions who've been so kind to include us in their journeys. We are so honored that we are a part of these journeys, that our online courses made some impact in your journey towards your dreams. So in order to honor these amazing champions who worked so hard, who've done it all, who are so determined and so hardworking, and they reached their dreams, and our online courses had any part to play in it, we are giving away the same resources to two of you. Now, talking about these champions, you may have seen our past two videos. The first one was with DJS Rank 1 Delhi Judicial Services Rank 1 Rishika Srivastav, and the last video was with Ridhima Johri, who was Rank 1 Gujarat Judicial Services. And Vani is our all-time champion, who is such a beautiful soul, and she is a part of the AP Andhra Pradesh Judicial Services. If you go back and you read Vani's story, you will be humbled by her hard work and her determination, and the same goes for Rishika and Ridhima. They're all so polite and so kind and so hardworking. In fact, that reminds us of Justice Chalmeshwar's video in the interview, where he was talking about the one quality you need to succeed in life, and maybe these champions have figured that out.
Politeness is a quality not only for lawyers and judges, not only for a lawyer. In life, politeness is an essential quality to maintain the social harmony. Whatever you want to say, you may be very firm in your view, but the manner of saying it should always be polite.
Each and every one of you is a champion for us, but we want to honor these champions, and we want to honor these champions by giving you the same resources that these champions had. So you will also get the foundation course. You can win this foundation course, and to win this foundation course, it's very easy. The rules are very simple. You have to be subscribed to our channel, and you have to leave a comment saying why you are excited to win the foundation course. That's it. And this time there will be two winners. One will be drawn through a random name picker, so if luck is on your side, you will win that, and the other will be based on the comment that you leave. So whatever comment touches our heart, which moves us, or something that stands out, that comment will also win a foundation course. So if you want the same resources that these champions had, then you better enter this giveaway right away, ASAP. And we are truly honored to be a part of your journeys, to be a part of your success stories. Thank you for including us. We hope more and more of you become successful, get your dreams, and we hope to be a part of much more and many more of your journeys. So all the best, good luck to everybody who participates. We hope you enjoy the foundation course.